So this is US oil analysis for Wednesday 13th of December. Now let's have a look what happened in prices and where they might likely go. So previous video we were saying we were wanting to see our price react at 58.28, and what we did see was a break of that 58.28, and we did have a test of it from above, but again we didn't see the continuation that we have here. The market weakened somewhat, and we saw a big sell off, well, pretty sizable sell off considering as well, from in around 58.28 to below 57, all the way down into the 56s. The high 56s in around 56.80 was the lower. So we did come into the market, we did see sell off, and we had a brief reaction towards that 57.75 before seeing further sell off. Didn't have much of a reaction around the 200-400 period moving average. We've come down below this 50 into this 56.80 or so. We have seen some buy side momentum coming to the market. We're not seeing any reactions to the 200-400 period moving average. Now the fact that we've had this sell off, it's a lot this we would like. Just there, we've covered quite a bit of a distance in a short period of time. I'm not sure if this is news related, as well. This can be quite volatile. More recently though, we do appear to be recovering, so we'll see how prices react towards our 57.75, where we do see a further breakdown, breaking below 57.12, breaking down below that towards our 56.52, beyond which we're looking for that 55.73. If again we do see a breakdown from where we are at present, possibly that 55.73 might be the far end of the range. If we do have a continuation, however, and we do break above 57.75, the next level we'll be targeted in around at 58.28. It has acted as a level of support and resistance in the past, so you'll see a price react at 58.28. And if we do successfully navigate 58.28, we'll be looking to target that 59 level on oil. And if we do break above 59 before we look towards that $60 barrel in oil, we look to see how we break around 59.50 before we target that $60 barrel. But first we have to successfully navigate 58.28, 57 and 57.75. Now if we do see a breakdown, we've mentioned levels to, let's see, maybe 55.73 might be a bit too close, so we could potentially see price head down towards that very strong level in around that 55.21, which was the upper end of a trading range that we were in earlier in the year. So a breakdown from where we are, potentially targeting 55.21 to the far end, and again to the upside. If we do have the continuation, we're looking possibly in around 59.50 to the far end of the range to the upside. I think that should pretty much cover it at the moment. We just have to be aware of this 200-400 period moving average potentially acting as dynamic levels of support and resistance. But even though we have had a dramatic sell-off and we do appear to be recovering, so unless we do get a turnaround, and we would expect possibly recovery all the way up to that 57.75, after which you'll see how we react, and again 58.28. Now so that should pretty much cover everything here on the hourly time frame. So we'll set over to the daily time frame. So we head over to the daily time frame. We get the scale on here correct. Let's see. Let's grab a pen. So we've had a series of higher lows. We've had a move up towards our $59 barrel. We've had a sell off. Again, we've had three very strong bullish days just here. But in and around that 58.28, we have seen a pretty dramatic selling candle. So we might see is we've got our highs there, slightly lower high. We might see further sell side continuation in regards to the US 30, but overall the trend is to the upside. And more recently we've had 3 bullish days, the anomaly being that bearish day, so we could potentially see further continuation to the upside in oil. But at present, yesterday's action was that of a pullback and not a continuation to the upside. Now that said, that should wrap up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.